Today is a make or break day for Bitcoin. So be careful, my friend. Yes, my friend, you need to be careful today. To know exactly what else we're talking about, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part or information, my friend. As you see, guys, the daily candle here, it finished. Today, Bitcoin doing exactly like how as we told you yesterday. People there with me as we enter along from down here. It hitting first, second, third take profit. They are very happy, and if it go more higher, we're going to enter either other entry or we continue more with it. Now what the Bitcoin going to do, guys? Because as me I told you, if you remember what else we told you from down here, from that low here, we told you the Bitcoin is going to go back to touch the top of the downtrend here. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 300 likes, guys. I know you can do it, so please, my friend, if you haven't smashed that like button which is down, go now before you continue. Smash it now, please, and write with it a comment. Tell me your thought about Bitcoin. What you thinking? You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also, we entered yesterday along as you see it, guys. It's hitting for all the first take profit, second take profit. We buy the Ethereum at 3,000 here, and today what happened? It's hitting for us the third take profit, my friend. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You click at join, that one or that one, depending on what you want. Read the description to know the difference between each and every one. When you finish the payment process inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can contact me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down in the description of that video. And we're going to solve your problem, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin doing exactly like how as we told you. We told you from here, actually, that all the week, and as we yelling here, when we fall down here, we told you guys the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Exactly, we give us here that green candle. Yes, it's make that correction here to hit those stop losses they being down here, and now it's going to continue upward to hit that downtrend as we have here. And after that, we're going to see why me are being confident, guys, because a lot of figures online they being telling you the Bitcoin is going to fall down, blah 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 blah. Why me are being confident? Because of that two lines, that two here exactly. Also, we make it in Friday. People there with us, they know it. As we told you, the Bitcoin is going to spend all the week sideways here, and that's what's happening, guys. Now what shall you do as a long-term investor? You wait in that one here, you see the downtrend here, you wait it. If it's going to be broke here, you can catch another long, because if you're looking at it, you got here like a wage, guys. You see that wage here. If it's getting broke here, that's when you're going to see Bitcoin going more higher, like how as we told you before. Now what is it? The view, you need to look at that last high here, that one here. It need to be broke. If we don't break it, it might from that level where we are, because that level where we are is very stronger. We're going to see Bitcoin dumping again. Which level me I'm talking about? Let me show you those things what I'm talking about. If you look with me here, guys, in the daily, what you see? You see we came here, we break the 20 moving average, but we touch the 50 moving average here, and Bitcoin it show us like a rejection here. So for us to enter more long, it's need the Bitcoin to break that 50 moving average here for us to know Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Another thing here, guys, look with me here. If you look in here at the Bollinger Band here, what you seeing? The Bollinger Band, it's breaking for us the middle or the 20 moving average, and even the bands here, they are very low, guys. Yes or no? We fall down, we touch the lower Bollinger Band here. Now in normal days, it's need Bitcoin to come back to touch the top of the Bollinger Band at 100k. You see it, guys, here in the daily or no? The top is it here at 100k. That's in the normal days. But sometimes what happened, guys? I'm going to give you here when it happened a bearish sign here. You see it? What happened here? We fall down. It showed to us it's break it, but it gave us there a pin bar. Now we don't got any pin bar here. That's why me I told it Bitcoin is going to go to 100k. But it might from here we're going to go back again to 91k, the lower of that Bollinger Band. Even that one it's possible, guys. So I think I explained everything to you. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF, liquidity heatmap, and even the coming news. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin ETF. Before today, we need to explain about yesterday what happened. Look at it. Yesterday, all of them, they sell. Grayscale, but also we haven't analyzed only that too. BlackRock and Fidelity. BlackRock yesterday bought 312 Bitcoin. Fidelity, they sold 1.20k Bitcoin. That's a huge number. Today, what happened, guys? If you're looking with me, our friend Grayscale hasn't sold nothing. BlackRock and Fidelity, we don't got the data of them. ARK Investment today, they bought only 30 Bitcoin. BITB, they sold 94 Bitcoin. The rest, no one of them. So the total today, 63 Bitcoin were being sold. But we're still waiting that to Fidelity and BlackRock, guys. So I think the idea is very clear because them, they don't want to sell or to buy because all the investors those days, they waiting Trump inauguration, and also we talk about that a lot, guys. Now let's go into see liquidity heatmap because that one is very important. It's going to tell you the future, what's going to happen in it. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heatmap as you see it. Now we have here in 24 hours, guys, we have those ones above here and those ones down here. That means we got stops above and stops down. Which one is going to be liquidated first? We need to go higher to see where there are more stop losses, guys. Let me show you. If we go more higher from 24 hours, we go like to 3 days. Here in 3 days, guys, both of them, they are equal. They look to me as you see it. Yes, down we got more stops here down compared to above, but let's wait and see what's going to happen. Now let's go in more higher to get more clear picture. Let's go in now to the weekly, guys. Here in the weekly, you remember in yesterday what me I told you here. I told you we got a lot of stops here and down we don't got nothing because yesterday we used to be down here. And what happened, guys? The Bitcoin, it went above, it liquidated all the shorts they used to be here. Now if you're looking with me here at that place here compared to above, guys, we still have a huge number of stop losses above here. So what the view, as I tell it to you, the Bitcoin is going to go to touch that 100k. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen. But at this time, we don't got a lot of longs, guys, down here. So the Bitcoin is going to go to liquidate all those shorts they are above. Based on weekly, guys, that's what me I told you. Bitcoin is not going to nowhere. We are going to spend all the week sideways. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go in to see the most important part of that video, the coming news. So let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, is it here that the news we got today. Today is very important day. We started the day by the CPI data or inflation data of UK. Then the most important thing is it that one here, inflation data of USA. It's going to come at 1:30, or we're talking here about CPI data. So you need to be careful, my friend. If it came like the forecast here, 2.9, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping, guys, because that's going to tell us the inflation is going above to 3%, and that's very bad. But if it came lower than 2.7%, that's very good. So let's wait and see how it's going to come. Over here is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day here in that channel, guys. US stocks or US indices, Nasdaq today closed the day red, SP 500 closed it green, Dow Jones closed the day green. What that telling us? Telling us the stock market tried to recover after yesterday. This fair, it's being at 20. We show you in yesterday VIX. Today we fall down to 18, guys. Mass currency and fair, yes, it's still a little bit higher, but we bottom as we told you. Even now, if you go into daily in the SP 500, you're going to find the SP 500. It give you a pin bar in the 100 moving average, and that a bullish sign. But let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Exactly the CPI data. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see it. Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here's Bitcoin in 12 hours. You see it here. It came here in 12 hours and it bouncing from that 100 moving average. The first candle gave us there a doji. Now another candle which is going now. Based on volume profile, as you see it, that zone is very stronger zone. Now what we need to wait. Either the Bitcoin to break the 100 moving average and to go more higher to the top again to 100k. That's the first scenario. Or to fall down to break for us the 50 moving average and to go back again. Even that one it's possible, guys. So now at this time exactly there is no trading. You need to wait another opportunity exactly if you break in here, guys, because level us we are in a very stronger level here in 12 hours. That's why me I told you came and do like that the downtrend and wait it. If it's going to be broke you can catch more long, and if it's getting broke it's going to break for you even that 100 moving average. Even that one it's possible, guys. Levels you need to look close at them here in Bitcoin in 12 hours. Same levels, guys. We got that level here 95,486. We got that one down here 90,808. We got that one above here 102,603. That one with white. That's my target. Tell it to you a lot of times here, and that's what else we're doing now. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum in the 4 hours, he give you here like a down channel, guys. You see it here. You came here and do it like that, guys. You see you got here a down channel like that. You see it or no now? You touch the lower here. It started from here. It went above till here, till here. It touched the top here. Now it fall down, it touch here. Now what the view is going to go back to the top of that channel again. That's the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, what is it? We got here the downtrend like that. If it's getting broke, you can catch an entry long exactly if you are someone who use a leverage. People there with me? Also, we buy from here, from that candle here. We buy from that one here. And we buy yesterday from that low here. We give you why us we doing that. Now what the view? Us we still waiting the Bitcoin at. Now what the view? Us we still waiting the Ethereum at least to reach to that high here, 3,700 something like that. We're going to take some of the profit, guys, and the rest we're going to let it to run more higher. That's my view personally. A second scenario is going to come just to here to touch the downtrend here. Then after that give us another low. Even that one is possible, guys, because if you look in low, high, another low, and that low here, it's lower than the previous one. So it might we are just going to come to here. Then after that it's going to give us a new low. So I think I explained everything. If we look in here at our indicator we're telling us today, let me show it to you. Our indicator we show you yesterday we got here a divergence. As you see it here, it's staying here. Now also that trend of the divergence will make it more tall. And if you're looking with me here, our indicator now is it in that level where there is no one is controlling now. We need to wait after the CPI data what the market going to do. Either from here it can come back again to touch the divergence trend line. After that to come up, even that one is possible. So as we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours, guys, because it might to do like that to fall down to give us a new low here, but here down to give us a smaller divergence, and that's going to indicate that the market is going to reverse. Even that one it's possible, guys. I think I explained everything here about Ethereum. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, same thing like the Ethereum. We got here a down channel here in 4 hours. Look at it, how clear it is. Down channel here. We touch the lower here. Now what the view? We are going to go back to touch the top of that channel exactly here at 100k. Also we tell you that in yesterday video, what else we show you here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. You can find it in the thumbnail of the video of yesterday. We show you that double bottom here or that W here, that one here exactly as you see it, guys. That the double bottom or W is it in yesterday video is getting broke here. Take profit of that one is going to be above here at 100k, and also we tell you that, guys. We told you we are going back to 100k, but now there is something new here at that zone, guys. Let me show you what is it. Look at it here. If you're looking at those moving averages, guys, we break in the 100 moving average, but now also we came that red one here is the 200 moving average, the simple one. Now there is one of two guys, because last time look how many days we stay in here sideways. Same thing, either we're going to stay sideways here before we break it, that one is possible. Second scenario, the market can give us here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse, and also we can catch it from there, because everything is possible those days, guys. I think I explained everything. If you want exactly to know if the market going to go from here above or from here you should enter a short, I told you what to do. You can join our VIP Discord, and believe me my friend, you will not regret. You're going to learn from professional people how they making money from that market. Also yesterday we enter from down here till above here, and the short we enter from here till down here. We enter another long from here till here. We enter a short from here till here. So if you want to benefit from professional people, that the job of them, and you want to make money risk free, you can join our VIP Discord. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here to the place where is the bulls they controlling. What that mean? Each man one thing, the sentiment of the market, we are in a bullish market. That's what I told you. I told you also we are going to go to touch 100k. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, it might the market to give us here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Even that one it's possible, guys, but also we are in a sideways level. So let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Over here, the Bitcoin it tried to give us a price action. Like that one, as we enter from down here till above here. Now at that level, look at it. You see it, guys? Yes, we breaking that level as we used to talk about that one here. We break it. But now the market here, it's showing to us, look at it. First, second, third, and at the fourth time, we got, yes, a small head and shoulder here. If you see it with me, look at it. Look at it here, that the first shoulder, that the head, and at the second shoulder, guys. If we break in here, we're going to see the Bitcoin going more higher than the first scenario for short, because even for short, we need to focus about it now, because now we are in a very stronger level, guys. But we need the confirmation from market. For short, you came to that low here, and you're looking at that one. If the market going to give you here a double top like that, and to fall down to break the neckline, you can enter a short, my friend. So I think I explained everything. For long, if it's breaking here, it's going to give you like a continuation pattern. And is it like that? Like a flag, guys. You see that one here is a flag. If the market breaking here is a continuation pattern, guys, here in 30 minutes. I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Our indicator, the top one, is it at the extreme overbought area, the down one, and that's what also we focused about. It touch here extreme overbought area, but now he give us here like a divergence, guys. You see that one here compared to that one here. We got a divergence. Should we enter a short based on a divergence, or we don't enter based on divergence, or we enter based on price action? And that indicator of us it's showing to us one thing, guys. It entered to a zone where is only bulls who controlling. Look at it. It fall down. He touched that wall here and try to reverse again. So us now technically, based on the sentiment in 30 minutes, we are only in a bull market and there is no bears yet, guys. You need to remember those things. Always if the market fall down and breaking down here, and that one enter to a zone where is the bears they controlling. So I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button which is down and to write with it a comment. And if it's possible, share that video with your family and your friend. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.